let us discuss writing and organizing the feature stories. Feature stories are not written in inverted pyramid style format. They are generally written in descriptive, more in depth in nature and sometimes narrative style as well. They may begin with a catchy lead or first person account or a direct quote to attract the reader's attention and may lead to a climax. The lead paragraph of the story incorporates a narrative hook that attracts the readers to read the rest of the story. This paragraph also sets the mood of the story. The writer first has to choose upon a broad theme and then narrow it down gradually with the help of information collected, observations, personal experiences and interviews. After narrowing down the theme of the story, one needs to clearly identify the angle and premise of the article. Each feature story should have a specific angle or a point of view or frame of the story. The angle binds the story and brings out the inner logic of the story or why the story was attempted or what perspectives make it important. However, one should not consider that the story is biased or imbalanced if it contains a specific angle. Premise is the main message of the story or the statement that the writer wants to make through the story. In other words, it is a reason why the story was written. Begin the feature article by writing a lead that attracts the reader. Feature leads should create a connect with the reader and should appeal to the emotions. Lead of a feature may begin with a question or direct quote or short story and should set the tone of the entire article. The lead of a feature article is usually different from a news story, covering the basic information about the issue or event, whereas the third or the fourth paragraph should clearly bring out the angle of the story and why the story has been primarily written. Lead can be descriptive in nature that tries to create a visual imagery of the scene, person or action pertaining to the story. However, it can also start with a direct quote, piece of dialogue, a startling twist, anecdote or simply a question. Feature article should contain the background information related to the theme or topic selected. The background information should inform the reader about the genesis of the issue, official stats if available, recent developments, laws related, government schemes or policies on it, graphics, tables, timelines, infographics can also be used to enhance the appeal of the article and break the monotony. Features are generally weaved like a story with an introduction, body and conclusion. Thus, there should a thread that runs all along with the story for coherence, clarity and continuity. The writer can end the feature stories with a powerful quote, summary ending, circle ending that ties the story to the beginning or short but surprising revelation, possible solution to the problems. It is suggested that ending of the articles should be somehow connected to the starting of the story to give a sense of closure to the reader. However, many a times features articles leave things unresolved or open or uncertain. Features are sometimes written in a conversational style or use direct quotes of various stakeholders to begin or to end the article. Such a style helps the reader to create mental images or evoke visual images. Many feature writers also run a subtle commentary in the article. The opinion or signature style of the writer provides color, tone, authenticity to the article. Some feature writers develop strong opinions or expertise on the issue with their vast experience.